Hi everyone. Today is a very special day for me because it marks 6 years since I have started this YouTube channel. Honestly, I don't even know where to start this video because I have never planned for making any anniversary videos like this. Because in all these years, I have never celebrated my channel anniversary. But today I want to share my journey with you. Let's dive right now. Why I started this channel? I never started this channel for any famous or like that. Since my childhood, I was very curious about how things work. Like it may be small thing or big thing. Like how DC motor works, what is the principle behind it, like that. I was curious how that winding is and why that bearings are touching, how exactly it is working, and many things. But I want to show what I learned to this world. Like there are some channels on TV. Sometimes they show some experiments, especially in Kushi TV. I watch Art Zuka. He will make some. It is not exactly experiments. He made some stuff like paper cutting planes and some other cool stuff using some art skills. Then I got an idea, why don't I start like that? But at that time when I was a child, there is no not even YouTube in my village. I mean not even reach YouTube to my village, and some smartphones and nothing there in my village. After many years, Jio started free plans, and many people got free plans, and the internet spreading to remote villages also. So I tend towards YouTube and cool experiments and every electronic stuff. So one day I got an idea, why don't I start my own YouTube channel? That is 9th March 2022. That is beginning of my channel. You may or may not believe this. I started this channel on my keypad mobile, which is JioPhone. In 2020, I started this channel on using some small keypad mobile, which is JioPhone. So I have uploaded the same video on the same day I started this channel. It is some seconds long video, some remote controlled car I made my own, taking some parts from the toy car. So it is like 10 seconds long video I uploaded using the same keypad mobile. The struggle at that time, I don't even have my own mobile, so I use some of my friends mobile and relatives mobile. That is really hard time for me. So it is like asking phone every time whenever I want to shoot videos, whenever I got some ideas. I wrote my ideas on the book, not digitally, and I go to my friends and ask their mobile and shoot videos. And I also edited a video on the same mobile, I mean my friend's mobile. And I used to log my account in their mobiles whenever I want to upload video. And I also use some schedules to upload videos and everything like that. It is really hard time for me. It was not easy, but I continued. My style of making videos. Many people ask about my script, but honestly, I never used any scripts. Not from AI, not from anywhere. Why I don't use some script given by AI or somewhere else? Because what I believe is, if we take scripts from others or given by AI, it will ruin our own ideas. Like if I take script from AI, it will just like killing my own ideas. Like if in reality, without any script, I will make my own thoughts, what to show to my audience, which part will be okay and which part will be not okay, what to talk, what to explain, and where should I remove the video. It is like many things involved in a script. So that is the reason why I never use any AI script. So it is like ruining our own ideas. So that is the reason why I never used any AI script or somewhere else. So the script is in my mind, not on the paper or somewhere else. I just record the video, whatever I want to show, and I will just edit everything and simply upload it. No script, just everything in my mind. Now about my channel growth. No, not only audience, a lot of my friends there in college always ask, why your channel not yet grown, why don't you make videos frequently, like that. Many questions are raising. So the answer from me is, it has been 6 years since I started my YouTube channel, that everyone knows. But my subscribers are around 720. It is not even monetized yet. So I never entered this platform for numbers or something else. I just want to show my passion and what I learned, and while learning what hurdles I am facing. Everything I will share on this platform. Also, if you look into my videos deeply, you will observe there is a difference, a lot of difference between one video to another video. It is like sometimes 6 months, 4 months, 2 months. Like you will observe a lot of distance between one video and another video, because I never tend towards frequently uploading videos like that. I upload video only when I feel meaningful, and there is really a content in my video, and if I feel it will be helpful to some of people like me, like that. So when it comes to what my channel is about, if you look at my channel, I don't make any videos like explosive or sensational videos. You might see other content creators like they make some dramatic experiments, sensational and explosive videos, and those are attractive to eyes. But it may be their own choice, and it is their own choice, their own content. I'm not judging them. But if you look at my videos, if you observe deeply, there's a difference between them and me. Is I don't make sensational videos. I want to show my audience what is the science behind something, how it is working, what is the principle behind it. My goal is to explain the science behind things, because I don't want to simply do videos. I want to explain the science behind it, because understanding the things is more important than seeing the result. Life lesson for me. Now after 6 years, I want to share what I learned in this platform. Now after 6 years, I want to share what I learned. If you are doing something because only you love that, don't measure it only by numbers. To be frank, sometimes progress may slow, and people may not notice your work. It is completely okay, because I'm also experiencing the same thing from 6 months. Some people may say negative about you. Don't care about them. Just fuck it. That is the reality of this universe. If you really have any questions related to my channel and next videos, if you are really struggling, just comment me. I will answer your question if I can. At the end, I want to say one thing with you. What makes you unique is your passion. Don't forget it. Move forward. Thank you for your love, 720 subscribers. Thank you.